What's up, guys? This is Gone Wrong Garage here, and today I'm going to talk about the headlights on the mini bike again. You've probably seen a video on my channel before, and I'm pretty much going to rewrite history here. So I ditched them headlights. So originally I had a headlight, or a pod light here and here. They were nightlight pod lights, and I had a couple of them there, but the problem was they didn't shoot down the ground, down towards the ground, or even straight. They were kind of pointed up, even with them adjusted, you know, pointed down all the way. And you can buy I forgot what they're called, wedge washers, but the only ones I could find were really expensive, so I just pretty much ditched the whole system. And I had like a little basket here that held the battery and everything, and I completely ditched that. So what I did this time was I bought a 6-inch spot slash, or it's kind of a combo. It's a spot and floodlight combo. As you can see, the middle row is the spotlight. I mean, the floodlight is in the middle. Never mind. There goes the jet. Almost every video I make, there's always a jet going by. But anyway, it's a spot and floodlight combo. The middle row is the floodlight, and the top and bottom row are the spot. But as you can see, it's also a nightlight, if I haven't already said that. And for one thing, for starters, the first thing I did for the setup was I bought the back and front rack off of Amazon. It was $25 for both racks. And before, okay, like those racks weren't even on Amazon before, like a month or two ago. And the only ones I could find before that was on the eBay. And just the back rack alone, without the extra long axle bolt or the metal post going up to the rack, was $50. Just the top part. So I got a really good deal on there. And what's cool about it, it was an actual, you know, Coleman part. And obviously it was with Prime, so it got here in a couple days. But what I did once I installed that, which by the way, the racks, they were $25, came with everything I needed, every bolt, every washer, everything I needed to get that done. But pretty much what I did was, after that, I bought the light, and it was $20 for 2 of them, and I put the extra one on our John Deere garden tractor, which I'll probably have a video on that because it's pretty cool. But anyway, I drilled a 5/16 hole in the middle here. And only one thing you'll probably need to know is the bolt that comes with the light right here is too short, so you're gonna have to get a longer one. I'm not sure exactly what size it is. I'm pretty sure it's like 1.5 inches or something like that bolt. And that's pretty much it for the light part. Not including the wiring, just mounting the light, and that was it. It was really simple. And it isn't at the very end, which I like, but it shines towards the ground, and it works great. I've ridden it several times. It's awesome. I love it. Because the other lights didn't do that. They pointed up in the air, and it was dumb. But and then I added on this ammo box that I bought at Walmart. It was $5. Now, pretty much the same thing. I used 2 5/16 bolts on this, and obviously I drilled 2 5/16 holes, as you can see, like that. And again, this thing was only, the box was only $5. But this battery I bought off of Amazon for, what was it, like $15, $20 or something like that. It's an Expert Power brand. I don't know if I can't really see it, but there's the numbers on top of it if you need to know that. Right there, that's the battery number. But anyway, I got the negative wire coming off the battery. Coming out of here, I have 2 holes, or 1 hole here with 2 wires coming out, as you can see. And it's running down the frame all the way down, as you can see. And the negative wire runs to one side of the switch obviously, and then it comes out and connects to the what do you call it, the wire to the light. And then the positive is just running all the way down to the battery. Now, last time I did put the switch, I connected the switch to the positive battery, but I realized that's probably not the best thing to do. It's probably better for the ground to be to the switch. And I'm not a wiring genius, so if I did something wrong, don't judge me. But I do need to figure out how to cover these. I need some insulated connectors or something, because obviously if I were to put tools or something here, you know, that could ground out, short out the battery and short out the system. And you might have been wondering the whole time, why is there a cup here? Well, it's a Starbucks cup, but the battery will be flopping around, so I have that jammed in here right now. Now, what I am going to do, I'm probably going to find some kind of like a foam block or something and cut it and put it in there to keep it still. And you could probably drill some holes and put some zip ties through it and stuff like that, but I think that looks like crap, so I'm not going to do that. Because before I had the light set up, it looked kind of weird right here, and it was kind of awkward to get to this bolt, and there was like a clump of wires over here. I think the only thing I want to change right now is the zip tie color and stuff, because I don't really like the green zip ties. But let me clamp this back down and show you the lights that do work. And they are pretty bright. Obviously you can't tell right now because it's daytime, but it's kind of hard for me to get riding videos and stuff for this thing. For one, I don't have a GoPro or anything like that, and number two, I can barely ride this thing as it is because the police really don't like me riding it, and they've already warned me several times, and I keep doing it, and I'm gonna get a ticket if I don't stop. So it's kind of hard to get any videos like that. But as you can see, it even kind of lights at the ground right now. But the only thing I'm gonna change or add on is I am gonna put another box on this side, which I already have the hole marked out right there where I need to drill. But so pretty much what you need to do, I'll tell you exactly. If you buy this exact same box from Walmart, like, good look at it so you know what to look for. Forgot what brand it was. But so what you do, the first one from the very, okay, the first one from the back, right, this is where your first hole is going to be. Take your measuring tape and measure 3 inches out from this side. So from this very outer edge to this hole, or to that dot right there, is 3 inches. That's the middle, that's the center of the hole. That's where the center of it needs to be. And there's one right here, same thing, 3 inches from the edge right there. And pretty much on both sides you do that, and then you measure it and you cut the holes or drill holes where they need to be in the box, and bam, you're good. One thing I need to do, I need to go get some big round washers. You know, they're probably like that big, because as you can see, I don't have any washers there, and that's not very good. So yeah, but hopefully one of you guys will get some information from me and learn something, and maybe you'll do it on your mini bike. I tried other ways. I tried the other way and I didn't like it, but if you already have the racks, you're in good luck. It's simple as heck to put a light on it. And, you know, you don't necessarily have to put the same exact light on there, but it's pretty good. I like the spotlight part of it, where it shoots out far, and I like the floodlight part. So it's great for me. I like it. Only thing that sucks is I had to buy the racks. So, but it was worth it. It's pretty awesome. Love this thing. But there's some future upgrades coming to this thing. Here within 3 or 4 weeks, I'm going to be putting about $400 into this engine. I'm going to build it, so that'll be pretty interesting. I should be making around 17 horsepower once I'm done with the build. I'm not going like, you know, stage 4 or anything, but I am doing quite a bit of work to it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.